For more clarification, let's do another practice similar to this one but more simple one. I just say them I as integer and let's assign a value I equal 1 as an example. I say if I equal 1, then go to maybe label 1, else, for example, go to 2, okay? That's it, one line. If it is 1, go to 1, else go to 2, okay. And as you know, we could define the labels simply by, let's say 1, I'll write like that, message box 1, and another one, 2, message box 2. So it's very simple. If it is 1, jumping to the 1. If it is 2, jumping 2. Let's set first time as 2. So it is not 1, gonna jump to the 2. Okay? Gonna show the message 2. But if it is 1, as you know, it's gonna jump here. And because the code's running one by one each line, after that, it's gonna show the another one. 1, 2. In this case, if you want to finish up, we usually make another very bottom handler for labels. Let's say, for example, skip. Okay. And the skip actually don't need anything. Okay. And here I say after showing that, go to skip. Although here we don't need because we're gonna finish it. But if you have multiple of lines, you have to run. For example, if we have another label, before that also make a copy of that. So all labels reaching before very end of the subroutine. After any label running here, just make another label to very end and finish that. And my label finally here for a skip, and of course it is end subroutine. With this case, if I run 1, gonna jump 1, show the message and won't go down because I jump again to the skip, and the skip there is nothing else. So let's run 1 and there it is. So with one extra label, we could control to not run other unwanted labels. Anyway, you cannot use, as an example, this label to jump another subroutine. And note that you have to define all labels. Because here I mentioned go to skip, go to skip. If I remove a skip before running, gonna give 0. Label not defined. So you have to define it. And again, if I make another subroutine, and just as an example, set it here, you cannot refer here. It's still not defined and not gonna work.